You can push a button here. That'll bring your screen up. You can scroll down to go into your settings. Well, now that we saw what it looked like, let's get the box opened up. Hey guys, I got sent over a new smartwatch. We're going to take a look at it and see what we get in the box and how well it works, what all features it has. Stick around. Have a LCD screen cleaning cloth. Have our user manual. Have our watch itself. Pretty good size watch. Looks like we have 2 watch bands, USB charging cord, and a link adjuster where you can take the links out of the watch band right here to adjust it. Really nice heavy watch band. It's a pretty nice watch. I personally prefer the silicone type band. We may not need that. Let's take a look at the watch. See what all apps and whatnot it has. Just push and hold this little button right here. That'll turn it on. It does have the QR code and the user manual that you can download on your phone. It is the FitCloud Pro app. We're going to bind the watch with the app. Accept, yes. Now we're binding. Binding successful. Click pair and allow. There you go. We are connected. This does have the Health Connect apps on here. You can do sports records, sleep, heart rate, oxygen, so forth and so on. Click device and you have the push notifications, alarms, activity reminder, drink reminder, dial library. You can change the dial on the watch. There's a lot of different dials there that you can choose from. Sports push, you can track everything. Outdoor cycling, outdoor run, indoor run, so forth and so on. Weather reports, you can have weather on your watch. You just have a lot of different options as you see. You can set your own personal goals and change your units. We want to change that to Fahrenheit, change that to feet and miles. Got Google Fit, Health Connect, and We Run in the background, Connect Help. We're going to settings, change your theme, check for an update, change your hour from 12 to 24. I want the 12 hour. You can push a button here. That'll bring your screen up. You can scroll down to go into your settings, all your different options there. Scroll to there. Your heart rate, blood oxygen level. You can set this for your sleep tracking. And there's your weather. Music, you can connect this to the phone and it will play the music on your phone through the watch itself. And then you can add something if you'd like. Set your alarm. Adjust your menu style. Check your battery. You can make a phone call. There's your phone dial pad. Look up your contacts, call records, voice assist. Well, scroll, yeah. There we go. Data. Track your workout. Check your messages. Weather, Fahrenheit, music. You can play and pause your music by pushing this button. Really cool. You can push this button here to open up your watch or close your watch. Really nice watch. We'll put it on and see how it fits. Whether you're washing the car, going swimming, or just washing the dishes, you don't have to worry about that watch getting wet. Look at that. Goes right in that water, comes right out. You don't have to worry about it. It is 5 ATM waterproof. Well, like I said, you can go swimming with it, wash the dishes, wash the car, whatever you need to do. We know we don't want to take a watch off every time we have to do something around water. That is the solution. You don't have to worry about it. There you go. Good as new. And something else I discovered about this watch is you can go right here, hit the button to turn the screen on. Right here is a flashlight. Look at that. Pretty cool. If you have an emergency situation, you don't have time to go down here, hit this, and hit the light, and then get to SOS, and hit that button right over here on this side, hit it again, and that'll turn the SOS on. Automatically turns it on. Just 2 quick hits. So what do y'all think about that? That's really cool. I really like that flashlight feature. That is nice. That's cool. I like that. I like the fact that it's waterproof, looks good, feels good, and it does have the more of a dressier band. It's got the little tool here to remove the pin, so you can remove the link, and then you can snap it right back into place. You're in good shape. Really nice watch. I definitely like that. If you'd like to get one of these watches for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.